Hello students. Today in this video, I will explain you the remaining questions of exercise second day. All of you see question number 5th. Subtract first part is 4a minus 2b minus c from minus a plus 2b plus 3c. So we have to subtract these two, and the rule for subtraction is here from is written, so the number which is written after from, that means this number we have to write first. So in one bracket we will write this number first, minus a plus 2b plus 3c. So this algebraic expression we have to write here in the first bracket. Now we have to put subtract sign. Now another bracket we will take this second algebraic expression which is written in the beginning. That algebraic expression we have to write here. So here we will write 4a minus 2b minus c. Now we will open the bracket. Here outside the bracket on left hand side no sign is given, plus and minus nothing is there. So what we will do, we will remove this bracket and we will write minus a plus 2b plus 3c. Now when we will remove this bracket, on the left hand side minus sign is coming. So with the help of this minus sign we have to change the sign of inside number. So we will change the signs, plus minus, and here it is plus, minus plus minus, minus minus will be plus, minus and minus plus. Now what is the next step? We have to check the like terms. Which are like term? This and this, these two are like term. This is minus 1a and this is minus 4a. Minus and minus is plus, so we will add these two. 1a and 4a will become 5a, but we have to put the sign of greater number. Which one is greater? 4 is greater, so minus sign we will put. Now another like term we will check, plus 2b plus 2b. This is plus, this is also plus. So plus and plus will become plus, so we have to add these two. 2 and 2 will become 4b, and we have to put the sign of greater number. Both are positive, that's why we will put here plus sign. Now another one, these two are like term. Here no number is given, so we will take 1. Now this is plus 3 and this is plus 1. Plus plus plus, so we have to add these two. 3 plus 1 will be 4c. 3c is greater, so we will put the sign of plus here. So this is your final answer of 5th question, first part. Now see another part number 4th. Subtract 2x cube minus 16x square plus 14x minus 25 from minus 6x cube plus 4x square minus 3x plus 5. So this is the question. Subtraction we have to do. So what is the rule? First of all, you have to see from. The number which is written after from, that algebraic expression we have to write in the beginning, and this first algebraic expression we have to write later on. Now this method which we have done here by taking the brackets, this method is known as horizontal method. Horizontal method. Now in this part I will explain you one more method. The name of the method is column method. Column method. So in column method what you have to do, we will not take the bracket. The number which is written after from, this one, we will write upside. Minus 6x cube plus 4x square minus 3x plus 5. Now first algebraic expression we have to write downside, but the thing is that same alphabets we have to write under same one. This is 2x cube, so here we will write 2x cube. Same alphabets we have to write upside and downside. Minus 16x square, here we will write plus 14x minus 25. Now we will give some gap here. Why we will give some gap? Because we have to do subtraction, and for subtraction you have to change the sign of these lower numbers. These lower numbers sign we have to change. This is minus 25, we will change the sign, plus we will take. Plus 14x, we will change the sign, minus we will take here. This is minus 16x square, we will change the sign, plus we will take. This is no sign is given here, that means this is plus number, we will change the sign and we will take minus. Now this is minus, this is plus 5 and this is minus 25, but we had changed the sign here, so we will not take minus, we will take plus 25, and on solving these two we will get plus 30. So here we will write plus 30. In the same way we will do here also. This is minus 3x and this is plus 14x, but this plus 14 plus sign we had changed into minus. So minus 3 and minus 14, on solving these two we will get minus 17. So here we will write minus 17 and alphabet is x. So minus 17x. Now we will come to these terms. This is plus 4 and this is plus 16. Minus we had changed to plus. So plus 4 and plus 16. Plus and plus is plus. So we will add these two. 20 we will get. And alphabet is x square. And sign we have to put of greater, which is greater 16. 16 sign is plus. This minus we had already changed to plus now, so we will not take this sign, we will take this plus sign. So 16 sign is plus, so that's why we will take here plus sign. Now this is minus 6 and this plus 2 we had changed to minus 2. So minus 6 and minus 2, answer will be minus 8. So here we will write minus 8 and alphabet is x cube. So this is your final answer of part number 4. You can use any method because in the question heading it is not given which method you have to use. So by taking the bracket, if we will do this method is called horizontal method. If we will not take bracket, if we will take one number upside and one number downside, then such method is known as column method. And this is your final answer of 4th part. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number 5th. Now see next question. Question number 6th. Sixth question, first part. Subtract AB plus CD plus 7EF from the sum. So subtract rule is that the number which is written after from, that we have to write first, and after from what is written, sum is written. Sum means plus. So we will add these two terms which are given after from. So first of all we have to find sum. Sum means plus. You can use any method, column method or horizontal method, whatever method you use, both are correct. So we will use column method here. First we have to do the sum of 3AB plus 4CD minus 3EF and 2AB minus 3CD minus 1EF. We have to find the sum. Sum means plus, so we have to add these two algebraic expression. So this is minus 3 and this is plus 1. We will not change the sign here. We will not change the sign as we had done in the previous question. Why? Because in the previous question you have to do subtraction. For subtraction you have to change the sign of these downside numbers, but this is not subtraction, this is the sum. So sum means no need to change the sign. Minus 3 and minus 1, on solving these two we will get minus 4. EF alphabet we will write as it is. Plus 4 and minus 3, on solving these two we will get plus 1. So plus 1 CD. Now plus 3 and plus 2, answer will be plus 5. So here we will write 5AB. So this is the sum. Now we will do subtraction. Question is subtract AB plus CD plus 7EF from the sum. So from, after from what is written? After from sum is written. So we will write sum first. Sum answer is 5AB plus 1CD minus 4EF. This we will write first upside. And what we have to subtract? We have to subtract AB plus CD plus 7AF. Subtraction we have to do. Here we have to done sum. That's why we had not changed the sign. But here we have to do subtraction, and for subtraction rule is that we have to change the sign of downside numbers. This is plus 7, we will take minus. This is plus CD, we will take minus. This is also plus AB, no sign is given means this is plus, but here we will take minus. Now no number is given, that's why we will write here 1. 5 minus 1 will be 4AB. This is plus 1 and this is plus 1, but we will not see plus 1, we will take this sign minus 1. This is plus 1 and this one is of minus sign, so both are same but sign are opposite, so we will cancel these two. This is plus 1 and this is minus 1, both one will be cancelled, and here we will get 0 because both are cancelled. Now this is minus 4 and minus 7. Minus 4 and minus 7, answer will be minus 11. So here we will take minus 11 EF. So this is your final answer of 6th question, first part. So like this you have to do part number 2nd also. Now come to question number 7th. 7th question is, what should be subtracted from 14x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 25x minus 42. So subtraction question is this. So what is written after from? That we will write first 14x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 25x minus 42. This is the algebraic expression, and question is what number should be subtracted from this. इसमें से क्या माइनस करें? So you have to do subtract, and he is asking you what number you have to subtract here, so that you should get means answer. So we have to put equal sign. So when we will subtract these two, we will get the answer. So what is the answer? He said in the question, to get 3x power 4 plus 17x power 3 minus 12x minus 65. So question is, from this number what we have to subtract. So here I had put empty bracket. To get means equal sign, this answer. Now what you have to do here, we will fill one alphabet, let's say capital A. So we have to identify the value of A. We have to find the value of A. What is the sign of A here? A is minus. So what you have to do, first of all you will bring this A here in order to change the sign. This algebraic expression we know, this algebraic expression also we know, but here we have to find what is the algebraic expression here. So here we had assumed A, and this A is of minus sign, so we have to change into plus. That's why we will bring on right hand side. So when we will bring this A on right hand side, minus sign will change into plus sign, and this full algebraic expression will come here, and all the terms sign will be changed. So what we have to do, this term we have to write as it is, 14x power 4 minus 3x power 3 plus 25x minus 42. Now this minus A we will not write, because we will take this minus A on the right hand side. So this minus A is removed. Plus 3x power 4 we will bring on left hand, so minus 3x power 4 plus 17x cube when we will bring on left hand, minus 17x cube minus 12x we will bring on left hand, so this will become plus 12x minus 65 when it will come on left hand, it will become plus 65. So these all terms we brought to left hand side and we have changed the sign. Now this left number minus A we will bring on right hand side, and this will change to plus A. Now same alphabet, same like terms we will solve together. This is 14x power 4 minus 3x power 4. So 14 minus 3, 11x power 4. Now minus 3x cube minus 17x cube. Minus 3 and minus 17 will be minus 20x cube plus 25x plus 12x. Both are positive, so we will add 25 and 12 will be 37x plus sign we will take. Why we will take plus sign? Because out of 12 and 25, 25 is greater, 25 is having plus, so we will take plus sign. Minus 42 plus 65 minus plus minus minus plus minus, so we will subtract these two, 65 and 42. On subtracting these two we will get 23, and we have to put the sign of greater number. 65 and 42, which one is greater? 65 is greater, 65 sign is plus, so we will write plus 23. Now all the terms are solved. On the right hand side we have to write a, so final answer of a is 11x power 4 minus 20x power 3 plus 37x plus 23. So like this we have to do question number 7. Now see question number 8. How much smaller is 5x minus 8y plus 9z than 12x minus 10y minus 3z plus 16? What do you have to find? You have to find how much 5x minus 8y plus 9z is smaller. So what you have to do here, you have to find the difference of these two terms, these two algebraic expression. Here two algebraic expression are given. One algebraic expression is greater and one algebraic expression is smaller. What do you have to find? You have to find the difference. Difference means minus. Subtraction you have to do, and subtraction how you will do? Greater number minus a smaller number you have to do. So you have to identify which one is greater. It is already given in the question. 5x minus 8y plus 9z is smaller. It is already given in the question, but he is asking how much it is smaller, that you have to find. So which one is greater? Greater number is 12x minus 10y minus 3z plus 16. This is the greater number, and 5x minus 8y plus 9z, this is the smaller number. He is asking in the question this number is smaller, but you have to find how much it is smaller than this number. So what you have to do? If you have to find how much it is smaller or how much it is larger, then you have to find the difference. Difference means greater number minus smaller number. So greater number we had to write it upside, smaller number we will write downside. Now we have to find the difference. Difference means subtraction. Subtraction rule is we have to change the sign. This is plus 5x, we will change to minus. This is minus 8y, we will change to plus. Plus 9z we will change to minus, and here nothing is written, so we will not do anything here. We will leave it as it is. Now under this nothing is written, so we will write plus 16 as it is, minus 3, and this is plus 9, but this plus we had changed to minus, so minus 3 and minus 9, answer is minus 12. So here you have to write minus 12z. This is minus 10, and this 8 sign is plus 8 now. Earlier it was minus, but now it is plus. Minus 10 plus 8. Minus 10 plus 8, answer will be minus 2. So here we will write minus 2 and alphabet is y. Now this is plus 12 and this is minus 5. 12 minus 5. Answer is 7. So here you have to write 7x. So final answer of 8th question is 7x minus 2y minus 12z plus 60. So like this you have to do question number 8. Now question number 9 is also same as question number 8. What he is asking in question number 9, how much greater is this number than this? So here it is asking how much it is greater. So what you have to find? Here also you have to find the difference as we have done here. But greater number we have to write upside and smaller number we have to write downside, and after that we have to change the sign because we have to find the difference. Now see question number 10. 10th question. Perimeter of triangle is given. So we will also write in question number 10. Perimeter of triangle is given in the question 4y minus 3x plus 2z. On the left hand side, we have to write the formula of perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle formula is sum of all the sides. Sum of all sides means triangles. How many sides are there? In the triangle, there are 3 sides. So we have to write here first side plus second side plus third side equal this thing 4y minus 3x plus 2z. Now the two sides of triangle are this and this much centimeter. Two sides are given. So under the first side we will write in the bracket first algebraic expression 4x plus 2y plus z plus second side also it is given in the question 3x plus 7y minus 2z plus third side we don't know, it is not given in the question. He is asking in the question find the length of third side. So what you have to do, third side we will write as it is because we don't know the value of third side. Till here we had done equal to 4y minus 3x plus 2z we will write as it is. Now what you have to do, we will open these bracket. Outside this bracket on the left hand no sign is given, so we will remove the bracket as it is. We will write plus and plus plus 3x plus 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 7y plus minus minus 2z plus third side we will write as it is equal to 4y minus 3x plus 2z. Now what you have to do, 4x plus 3x answer will be 7x plus 2y and plus 7y answer will be plus 9y plus 1z. Here no number is given, so we will take 1 plus 1 and minus 2 answer will be minus 1z plus minus minus. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. Greater number sign we will put 2 and 1. 2 is greater. Out of 2 and 1, 2 is greater, 2 is having minus, so we will write a minus sign. Plus third side is equal to 4y minus 3x plus 2z. Now next step, these three terms we will bring on right hand side and we will change the sign. So third side will remain here equal 4y minus 3x plus 2z. These things we had written as it is. Now these three terms we will bring on right hand, that means here plus 7x we will write here minus 7x plus 9y, when it will come here it will be written as minus 9y minus 1z will be written as plus 1z. Now this is 4y minus 9y plus minus minus, so we will subtract. On subtracting these two we will get 5y and you have to put the sign of greater number 4 and 9. 9 is greater, 9 is having minus, so we will put minus sign. Minus 3x minus 7x minus and minus plus, so we will add these two 10x. Which one is greater? 7 is greater, minus sign we will take. Plus 2z and plus 1z will be plus 3z. So third side answer is minus 5y minus 10x plus 3z. So this is the value of third side. So we will write here centimeter. So this much centimeter is the third side. In your answer sheet, these terms may be shuffled. Shuffled means first in the answer sheet it is written minus 10x. Then after that it is written minus 5y plus 3z. No problem. If you will write like this, then also it is correct. Signs are same as we had done here. Here in the answer sheet minus 7x minus 10x is coming. Our also it is minus 10x. Minus 5y, our answer is also minus 5y. Plus 3z, it is also coming. So no need to worry if your terms are not coming at a proper place, no problem, but our answer is correct. So this is the final answer of question number 10. So now this exercise is over. You all have to finish this exercise in your fair notebook.